Frisco Bay, House P39, early PM, can't remember what time. Got the waiting cab, stopped at the red light. Address I'm sure of, but it turned out just right. It started straight off, coming here as hell. That's his first words, we asked what he meant. He said, where you from? We told him our lot. We take a holiday, is this what you want? So have a nice day, have a nice day, have a nice day, have a nice day. Lie around all day, have a drink or chase yourself from tourists, yeah, that's what I hate. You said we're going wrong, we've all become the same. We dress the same way,